Hey there, welcome to this tutorial on how to download YouTube videos. So, if you want to keep your favorite videos and watch them offline, then keep watching. To download your YouTube videos, look for the video you want to download and click on the three dots beside it. And click on the three dots, click on share, and we have to copy the link of this video to continue. Copy. When you see this notification link copied to clipboard, go to another website, savefrom.net. Links is in description below. And go to this place, use the popular shortcut Ctrl+V to paste, or you can right click on it and click on paste. Click on download to download. You wait for the link to process. As you can see, you will see the video thumbnail you want to download. When you see the thumbnail, click on download to start downloading. When I click on download, it will take me to another website. I can cancel this website if I don't want. Now my video is downloading. That's it for today's video. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.